Hey guys, it's Susanna for T-Mobile. If you're looking for an affordable 5G device to rock on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, the Samsung A51 5G is just what you need. Today we're going to unbox the new Samsung A51 5G and check out its key features. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the SIM pin, quick start guide, and the new A51 5G. Let's check it out. The A51 5G has a beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display with an on-screen fingerprint sensor. And like I said, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. The A51 5G has a rear quad camera with a 48-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5-megapixel depth camera, and 5-megapixel macro camera, and has a 32-megapixel selfie cam. In the box, you'll find the T-Mobile SIM card, wall charger, and USB Type-C cable. These will help you charge the A51 5G's long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery. The A51 5G runs Android 10 out of the box, has 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage with a microSD card slot. It uses USB-C for charging and even has a 3.5mm audio jack. The Samsung A51 5G is now available from T-Mobile. For more information, check it out at T-Mobile.com or at your favorite T-Mobile store. This has been Susanna for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.